In this section, we will discuss about server core. So what is server core? It is a specialized version of Windows Server operating system. So we can install Windows Server in two ways. One is GUI, another one is server core. So what is this server core? Actually, we'll try to understand. Okay. So it operates through command line interface instead of graphical user interface, which makes it faster. So this server core, it is a CLI based operating system where you will use the commands to run the operating system. You will not get the graphical user interface. You will not get the fancy graphics in server core. By removing the graphics, server core has smaller disk footprint. What does it mean by smaller disk footprint? It will take less space on your disk, which reduces the attack possibilities. Okay, and server core includes most but not all the server roles. So you will get most of the server roles. Okay, but it is not a full-fledged operating system. Okay, if you need the full-fledged operating system, then you need to install the GUI operating system. Windows Server Core is suitable for servers with specific roles like hosting website, storing files, etc. So if you have any critical server that requires both speed and security, Server Core is a good option to consider. But you can have all these options in GUI as well.